And welcome back to freetradingvideos.com. We're back again. This is the SPX. We're looking at the SPX right now. I'm going to bring in the 5-minute chart. Markets are about to close in 60 seconds. And you'll see this candlestick right here moving. You'll see it ticking up and down just ever so slightly. The markets have crashed. This is a 5-minute chart. You can see that right here. But in the last half hour, we just had a free fall, crashing below all these moving averages. And that's where we're at right now. The markets are about to close. And let me show you, as we're looking at the daily right here. And we smacked our head, had this huge sell-off Tuesday, yesterday. And then today we're looking for a lower low. Now we did get our lower low. Let's zoom in here. We have a lower low right there. And we have a lower high. Even though you have a white candlestick here, the bears were still in control because they made the lower low and the lower high. So this is still considered a down leg. Now, intraday for the day, we closed higher than we opened. That's why you have a white candlestick right here. But what's really great here is see how if you take this red candlestick, split it in half, about right there, that acted as resistance. See, the upper shadow came up, smacked about halfway. It's a key area on a large expanded range candlestick like we see there. Smacked our head and dropped. Now this is considered a bullish Harami reversal pattern because you have a small bullish candle inside the body of a large red one. Now that is bullish. That signifies up pressure. But what's interesting is the body formed in the lower half of this candlestick, which kind of negates a lot of its bullish sentiment. So anyway, what I expect tomorrow is either continuation to the downside, making lower lows. What would have been ideal is a red candlestick closing lower than today's low. Today's low was 1221. If we can close below 1220, where the red part of the candlestick closes down here, that would be very yummy. It wouldn't surprise me in the least if we get an inside trading day, you know, where we get another candlestick going sideways and maybe another one going sideways right here. And if we do get that, that will be a low base formation. A low base formation is in fact bearish, and you should see a breakdown. What I do not see coming, it could happen, anything in the markets can happen here, but what I do not see happening is a rally taking place. I don't see that. I wouldn't know how to put statistics behind this, but it's improbable as far as I'm concerned. I see us either going sideways or continuing down right now. And so anyway, that's what I see. Be careful with solar stocks. FSLR, for example, is one of them that a lot of people watch. You had this major sell-off here. You have a bullish Harami, and this is a very good bullish Harami. It's right smack dab. We closed higher than the halfway mark. Really nice. So if we make a higher high, we could get a bounce, which could be a dead cat bounce, which set you up for a short about right here, maybe in this area. I could draw Fibonacci's on here and come a little closer to a guesstimation on where that might be. But solar, this problem with solar right now is crude's been dropping. The more crude drops, the less people will need solar or find an interest in it. So be especially wary of solar companies because they could start having a surplus of solar panels, which would really kill the market. So anyway, let's real quick here while we're here take a look at the Dow. The reason I want to show you the Dow is because look at these lows, very similar, all of them very similar. If we can close below this on the Dow, that could be very bearish. We're still acting as resistance here. These moving averages acting as resistance. And so if we break below this, we could really fall. So I'm still anticipating more bearish activity, and hopefully it'll be a big run soon. I'm kind of hoping and guessing that will take place, but I'm not counting my chickens before the eggs hatch, a Western terminology that many of you will get and many others will say that's the first time you've heard it. Anyway, there's your 5-minute video for Wednesday. Take care and happy trading to you.